Hi YouTube, I'm about to do a latch hooking video. I have latch hook locks. And I'll be latching hooking on this wig. Oh no, I know it's not no fly up in my room. I'm upset right now. It's a fly in my room. It's not even summer yet. Stupid flies. That's upset me. I'm really hungry. I think I'm fixing me a burger and a baked potato. Yeah, that sounds good. I think that's what I'm gonna eat. That's gonna be fire. But sorry, I just making the lock right now. You need a latch hook. You can get one from most likely Joann Fabrics or maybe Michael's, or you could just get it from online. But I got this latch hook from Joann Fabrics for $2.99, really cheap. You know, last few years and years and years. Probably you don't have to buy a new one. Stick it through the lock. Wait, gotta move this my baby closer, my laptop closer. Okay. It's a 4-point rotation usually. I'm going to do a 4-point. Stick it through the lock. Wrap it around. And pull it through. Okay. So that was north. Now let's do south. Stick it through the lock. Almost pulled through. One thing you do not want to do is force it through the lock, because that will either damage your lock or your lock will fall off. Because if you just yank it, your hair is going to fall off. Because, I mean, if I'm doing it to this wig and the hair is falling off, then it's going to happen to your hair. Oh my goodness, something messed up. So I'm going to have to do another one. But yes, I love the latch hooking method, because it lasts a long time. And yeah, I have to back on this lock. I'm surprised I have to even back on this, because I mean, it's nappy already. This lock is about to be as long as mine, so. Okay, see, it's about to be a nappy lock. Okay, so this is about as long as my lock, a little bit longer. But okay. You see this? This is the lock. Take your latch hook. You enter north, whichever people call it. Some people call it north. Some people call it up. Whichever one you want to call it. And then, wait. You enter north. Wrap it around. See? So, you see the hook is like, wrap it around. And then, you pull that through. Sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties, but I'm still pulling it through. Pull it through, pull it through. Okay, so I pulled that through. Okay, then I like to just turn the wig, enter south. Or you could finger latch if you want. I mean, pull it through. Then you enter this way. Pull that through. think this way now. Basically, it's up, down, over, this way, north, south, west, east. I'm thinking, you know, you're done latching when you have no more hair to go once close to the scalp, but this is kind of, sort of, almost. Then you might want to palm roll just a little bit, not too much. It's gonna look something like this. And that is how you latch a dreadlock. So, and it looks very like a real lock. See, it's really kinky. It looks locked all the way, so it's cool. I'm gonna do one more for you guys. And let me say, I'm not professional. I'm not a loctician. I'm just practicing on how to interlock / latch hook locks because I want to learn how to do it. Because my mom, she's going to be interlocking / latch hooking my hair. So I want to show her somebody's video on YouTube. But okay. I'm gonna take this, okay? Gotta make it real nappy right quick. Okay, this is the lock. See this much new growth? Okay, that's the new growth. Okay, north. Into north. Bow. Pull it through that hole. Okay. So now I enter south. Oops. Sorry. Still didn't enter south yet, but enter south. Bow. Hold on, I messed up again. Enter south. Bow. Okay. Look how it's looking so far. Latch hooking, that's not about to come loose if you latch your hair. So enter east. I think I know my problem. The hole that I'm making is like not big enough, so okay. Sorry, y'all. Okay, sorry, I'm about to enter east now. East. Wait, did that go through? Now west. All the way to the scalp. And to make sure the hole is big enough to bring the lock through, you might want to. I'm having to get this through. See, that's the problem I was having. The hole that the lock is supposed to go through was not big enough. So make sure, like, you might need to put a finger in there to, you know, make sure it goes through there. But this is the results. I could go a little more, but yeah, you just, you know, keep on going until it's tightly to the root. And this is about how it look. It look like an actual lock, and it's not gonna come loose. So, like, that's good for like people. If you're getting locks and you're gonna start them off, I recommend this method the best. Either like either the back comb and latch hook method. That's the best method that I think it is. Like, you back comb first, palm roll, then latch hook. Because then you could, wash your hair and stuff, and you don't have to worry about it coming out because it's tied up in your hair. The only thing that might come loose a little bit is your ends, and you could just palm roll that. I mean, it's not a big deal. So that's how you do that. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, anything, private message me or leave a comment, rate this video, subscribe right up here, please. Let me know what topics or more tutorials you want me to do. Let me know if you want me to get a inbox. Let me know if you suggest any wigs for me so I can get me a new Letitia wig. But in the meantime, be a superstar. Peace, and keep y'all head up.